Garlic with honey.
Do you know benefits of garlic with honey? If you want to know, please watching this video.
Combining garlic with honey creates a powerful duo, with each ingredient bringing its own impressive health benefits, which are often enhanced when consumed together. This combination has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Here are the key benefits of garlic bulb with honey. 1. Potent immune booster. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Cardiovascular health support. 4. Digestive health and gut support. 5. Powerful antioxidant effects. 6. Respiratory health. 7. Detoxification. 8. Potential for skin health.
Potent immune booster. Garlic, rich in sulfur-containing compounds, especially allicin, when crushed or chopped, which has strong antimicrobial, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and immune-stimulating properties. Honey, a natural antiseptic and antioxidant, honey also has antimicrobial properties and can soothe irritation. Synergy. Together, they form a formidable defense against colds, flu, and other infections by boosting white blood cell activity and directly fighting pathogens. Many anecdotal and some lab studies suggest the combination can be more effective than either ingredient alone against certain bacteria.
2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Both garlic and honey contain compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, so incorporating this combination can contribute to overall health and disease prevention.
3. Cardiovascular health support. Garlic, known for its ability to help lower high blood pressure, reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, prevent excessive blood clotting, and improve the elasticity of blood vessels. These actions contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Honey contains antioxidants that may help protect against heart disease. Combined effect, together they can synergistically improve several markers of cardiovascular health.
4. Digestive health and gut support. Garlic can stimulate digestive enzymes and has prebiotic properties, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Honey acts as a natural prebiotic, promoting the growth of healthy gut flora. Fermented garlic honey. When garlic is fermented in honey, a popular method of preparation, the process further enhances its probiotic content, making it even more beneficial for gut health and potentially easier to digest for some. 5. Powerful antioxidant effects. Both ingredients are rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenols in honey and various sulfur compounds in garlic. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. This combined antioxidant power helps protect your body at a cellular level.
6. Respiratory health. This combination is a popular home remedy for coughs, sore throats, and congestion. Honey's soothing properties coat the throat, while garlic's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory actions can help clear infections and reduce irritation in the respiratory tract.
7. Detoxification. Both garlic and honey have detoxifying properties. Garlic supports liver function, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. 8. Potential for skin health. Some traditional uses suggest benefits for skin health, likely due to their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat skin infections and reduce redness.
How to consume. One popular way to prepare garlic and honey is to ferment garlic cloves in raw honey. This process not only preserves the mixture, but also can enhance certain benefits and mellow out the strong garlic flavor.
To make fermented garlic honey, peel fresh garlic cloves. You can lightly bruise or slice them to help release allicin, but keep them mostly whole. Place the garlic cloves in a clean glass jar. Pour raw, unpasteurized honey over the garlic, ensuring all cloves are fully submerged. Leave some headspace in the jar as it may bubble during fermentation. Loosely cover the jar, or use an airlock lid, to allow gases to escape. Store in a cool, dark place at room temperature. Burp the jar daily or every other day by opening the lid to release built-up gases. The mixture will ferment over weeks, becoming more liquid. It's generally ready after 1 to 2 weeks, but can continue to ferment for months. You can then take a spoonful of the honey, eat the fermented garlic cloves, or add them to dressings, marinades, or warm tea.
Important note: while generally safe for most, individuals with specific health conditions, such as allergies or those on blood thinners, should consult their doctor before using garlic and honey as a medicinal remedy. Using raw, unpasteurized honey is often recommended to ensure beneficial enzymes and bacteria are present for fermentation.
Garlic and honey, individually known for their health benefits, create a powerful combination when consumed together. Here's a breakdown of the best time and ways to incorporate them into your diet. Best time to eat garlic with honey. Many sources recommend consuming garlic with honey in the morning on an empty stomach.
Why morning/empty stomach? It's believed to maximize the absorption of the beneficial compounds. Eating raw garlic alone can sometimes cause acidity, but combining it with honey can help mitigate this. It can help with stomach infections and promote overall gut health. Some sources suggest it may aid in weight loss and boost metabolism when taken this way. While morning is often recommended, some sources also suggest consuming it at night for benefits like improved sleep quality, enhanced metabolism, and detoxification. Ultimately, consistency is key, so find a time that works best for you.
How to eat garlic with honey. There are several ways to prepare and consume garlic with honey. Method: chop or crush 1 to 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. Let it sit for a few minutes, about 10 to 15, to activate the allicin in the garlic. Consumption: eat this mixture directly. You can follow it with a few sips of warm water if the taste is too strong. Storage for daily use. You can prepare a larger batch by mixing 10 cloves of chopped garlic with 5 tablespoons of honey and storing it in a clean jar. Scoop out 1 teaspoon daily.
Fermented garlic honey. Method: peel whole garlic cloves and place them in a clean, sterile glass jar. Pour raw honey over the garlic, ensuring all cloves are fully covered. Leave some headspace in the jar for fermentation gases. Seal the jar and let it sit at room temperature in a cool, dark place for at least a week, preferably a few weeks to a month. Burp the jar daily, open the lid to release gases for the first 2 weeks, and stir or turn it upside down to ensure all garlic remains submerged. The honey will become more liquidy as the garlic releases its juices. Consumption: once fermented, you can eat a clove of garlic with a spoonful of the honey. The fermentation mellows the pungent garlic flavor. Benefits of fermentation: this process can enhance nutrient density and produce probiotics, further boosting gut health. Honey garlic tea. Method: steep 1 to 2 crushed garlic cloves in hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain the tea and add a spoonful of honey to taste. Consumption: drink this soothing tea, especially beneficial for sore throats and respiratory issues.
Incorporating into meals.
You can also add freshly chopped garlic and honey to salad dressings, marinades for chicken or fish, or stir fries to incorporate their benefits into your cooking.
Important tips. Use raw garlic. Crushing or chopping fresh garlic cloves releases allicin, the primary beneficial compound. Allicin is unstable and degrades with heat, so raw consumption is generally recommended for maximum benefits. Raw honey. Opt for raw, unpasteurized honey, as it retains more of its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and beneficial compounds. Moderation. While beneficial, garlic can have side effects in excess, like bad breath or digestive upset. Start with a small amount, example, 1 clove with half a teaspoon of honey, and see how your body reacts. Consult a doctor. If you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications, especially blood thinners, it's always wise to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, including regularly consuming garlic and honey. Honey should not be given to children under the age of 12 months due to the risk of botulism.
Side effects. While the combination of garlic and honey offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects, especially when consumed in large quantities or by individuals with certain health conditions or medications. Here are the main side effects of garlic with honey. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. 2. Allergic reactions. 3. Blood thinning or bleeding risk. 4. Blood sugar levels. 5. Low blood pressure, hypotension. 6. Bad breath and body odor. 7. Risk of botulism with fermented garlic honey. 8. Interactions with other medications. 1. Gastrointestinal issues. Garlic, raw garlic in particular, can be strong and irritating to the digestive tract. It may cause heartburn or acid reflux, especially for those prone to GERD, stomach upset, nausea, or vomiting due to its potent compounds, gas, bloating, and diarrhea. High fiber content and complex carbohydrates in garlic can cause these issues, particularly in sensitive individuals or those with irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Honey, while generally soothing, in very large amounts, the high sugar content, fructose, in honey can sometimes lead to diarrhea or abdominal cramps. If fructose is not fully absorbed, it can draw water into the intestines. Gas and bloating, as gut bacteria ferment undigested sugars. Combined effect. The combination can amplify these digestive discomforts in sensitive individuals. 2. Allergic reactions. Allergic reactions to garlic, though rare, can occur. Symptoms may include skin rash, hives, swelling, difficulty breathing, or stomach upset. Honey. Allergies to honey are also rare but possible, often linked to pollen in the honey. Symptoms can range from mild, like itching, swelling around the mouth, to severe, like anaphylaxis. If you have known allergies to garlic, honey, or any related plants, like lilies for garlic or certain pollens for honey, avoid this combination. 3. Blood thinning or bleeding risk. Garlic. Garlic has natural anticoagulant or blood thinning properties due to compounds like ajoine. This means it can inhibit platelet aggregation and increase the risk of bleeding. Interaction with medications. This is a significant concern if you are taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin, aspirin, clopidogrel, or heparin. Combining garlic with these medications can lead to excessive bleeding, easy bruising, or nosebleeds. 4. Blood sugar levels. Honey. Honey is a sugar, and while it has a lower glycemic index than refined sugar, it can still raise blood glucose levels. Garlic. Some studies suggest garlic might lower blood sugar, but the overall effect, when combined with honey, especially in significant amounts, might still be a rise in blood sugar due to the honey. Diabetes. Individuals with diabetes should consume this mixture with caution and monitor their blood sugar levels, as it may affect their glucose control and medication dosages.
5. Low blood pressure, hypotension. Garlic. Garlic is known to have a mild blood pressure lowering effect. Interaction with medications. If you are already taking medications for high blood pressure, antihypertensives, consuming large amounts of garlic could potentially lead to blood pressure dropping too low or hypotension, causing dizziness or fainting. 6. Bad breath and body odor. Garlic. The sulfur compounds in garlic, particularly allicin, are responsible for its distinctive strong odor, which can linger on the breath and even be released through sweat pores, leading to body odor. Honey does little to mask this.
7. Risk of botulism with fermented garlic honey. While fermented garlic honey is popular, there's a theoretical risk of botulism if not prepared and stored correctly. Clostridium botulinum spores can be present on raw garlic and in raw honey. In a low-acid, oxygen-deprived environment, these spores can multiply and produce a dangerous toxin.
Crucial safety measures for fermented garlic honey. Always use raw, unpasteurized honey, which has its own beneficial microbes that help with fermentation and can inhibit botulism growth. Ensure proper ventilation, burping the jar daily, to release gases and avoid an anaerobic environment if not using an airlock. Maintain proper hygiene. Some experts recommend using a small amount of vinegar or ensuring the pH is low enough, though many successful traditional methods rely on the honey's properties. Never give honey, including fermented garlic honey, to infants under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism.
8. Interactions with other medications. HIV medications. Garlic can interact with certain medications, such as HIV protease inhibitors, such as saquinavir, making them less effective. Immunosuppressants. Garlic may interact with drugs used to prevent organ transplant rejection, such as tacrolimus. Other supplements. Garlic can also interact with other herbal supplements that affect blood clotting, such as ginkgo biloba, ginger, turmeric in very high doses. Who should be cautious? Individuals on blood-thinning medications, those with diabetes, people with low blood pressure, anyone scheduled for surgery, individuals with digestive sensitivities or IBS, people with known allergies to garlic or honey, infants under 1 year old. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult the doctor before consuming medicinal amounts. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, are taking medications, or are considering consuming garlic with honey in significant amounts for medicinal purposes. They can advise you on potential interactions and appropriate dosages. Thank you for watching.